What's going on YouTube? So, got a package in the mail from an Amazon seller named KUNIST, which also provides us with a discount code in the description. But what they sent out are these boxes for the passenger side and the driver's side that slide under this little void area in a Model Y. Been making mighty good use of it with some snacks, some Gatorades. On the other side, I keep my CCS charger, also my J1772 charger, my lock, and also a first aid kit. Fits in wonderfully right in the bottom. Not sure if you can see it over there, but it does. Fits exactly the same as this one. You need something, slide it out, you're good. While you're driving, a little bit more difficult, but it's just meant for storage. So here's a quick video just showing off this awesome product from KUNIST. Again, in the description there's a coupon code, link to Amazon. Use it and tell them what you think of this product. Like, share, help the algorithm share our products. Again, thanks from Jay the Dev. Have a good one.